Want to unlock the secrets of psychology and take charge of any situation? In today's video, we'll explore 5 mind-blowing psychology tricks that you can use to influence, persuade, and shine in both personal and professional settings. But before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more life-transforming tips. Let's grow together. Section 1. The foot in the door technique. Our first trick is the foot in the door technique. This psychological strategy works by starting with a small, easy request. Once the person agrees, they're more likely to comply with a larger request later. For example, imagine you're organizing a community event. You could first ask someone to help with a minor task, like handing out flyers. Once they agree, it's much easier to ask them to help set up the event later. Why does this work? It's because people like to remain consistent. Saying yes once makes them more likely to say yes again. Pretty cool, right? Try this in everyday situations and you'll see the magic unfold. Section 2. The Scarcity Principle. Let's talk about the Scarcity Principle. It's simple. People value things more when they believe they're rare or limited. Ever noticed how online shopping platforms tell you only 2 items left or sale ends in 3 hours? That's scarcity at work. This principle taps into our fear of missing out, FOMO. You can use it to motivate people to act quickly. For example, if you're selling a product or service, highlight its exclusivity or time-limited nature. Here's a real-world example. A restaurant might promote a special dish available only this weekend. Customers rush in because they don't want to miss the opportunity. Powerful, isn't it? Section 3. Establish authority. Next is establishing authority. People are naturally inclined to follow those they perceive as experts. This is why professionals often showcase their credentials. For example, if you're a fitness coach, sharing your certifications or testimonials from happy clients can instantly build trust. Subtlety matters too. Don't overdo it, or it might seem boastful. Instead, let your knowledge and results speak for themselves. Think about how you can establish authority in your field. Whether it's through your skills, experience, or even the way you present yourself, authority opens doors. Section 4. The Contrast Principle. The contrast principle is a clever psychological trick to make your request seem more reasonable. Here's how it works. Introduce something extreme first, then present your actual request. By comparison, your real ask seems much more acceptable. For instance, a charity fundraiser might initially ask for a large donation, like $500. When the donor hesitates, they suggest a smaller amount, like $50. Suddenly, $50 doesn't seem so overwhelming. You can apply this in daily life too, whether negotiating prices, discussing work terms, or even convincing friends to join your plans. It's all about framing your request strategically. Section 5. Frame your requests positively. Finally, let's talk about framing your requests positively. Words have power, and the way you phrase your requests can make a huge difference. Instead of saying, "I need you to do this," try, "I'd love your help with this." The positive phrasing makes the other person feel valued and appreciated. It sets a collaborative tone rather than a demanding one. Here's another example. Instead of saying, "You should buy this product," say, "This product could make your life easier." Notice the difference? It's more inviting and less pushy. These psychology tricks aren't just for influencing others. They're about building stronger connections and navigating situations effectively. Which of these tricks will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.